This is a spekboom, and if you'd like to try some, it's actually quite delicious. Spekboom, Portulacaria afra, is this incredible plant. It has its genetic origins in tropical rainforest and is essentially a miracle plant on Earth. In this particular area in the Great Karoo, what we're standing in today, which is Albany Thicket, is one of the most extraordinary biomes in South Africa today, but one of the most threatened. And it is so threatened that it's actually become one of the world's 36 global biodiversity hotspots. One of the reasons that spekboom has become so degraded in these landscapes is because of goats. What they do is that they eat from the bottom up and they stand on their hind legs and eat from the top down. So essentially they crater expansion potential of the plant. That started occurring about 200 years ago and has led us to a situation today where we've got these 1.5 million hectares of degraded land that need to be restored. Here, man has to intervene. We have to have an intervention where we go and plant and restore, because it just won't come back naturally otherwise. It's really important for us to educate children, educate people, educate our guests about the importance of spekboom. Our commitment at Samara is to go out to individuals, go out to corporates and get them involved to come and help us be invested in a portion of a landscape, knowing that they're doing good and helping contribute to mitigating against climate change and helping bring it under control. Without preserving the land, without preserving the veld and the plants, we're not going to be able to have the wildlife that historically occurred here.